Good morning, children. See, today we have to discuss decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Fraction and decimal number. Fraction and its decimal number. The fraction is 6 by 10. What is the fraction here? 6 by 10. So what is its decimal number? That is 0.6. Next, 15 by 100. So what is the fraction? 15 by 100. So what is its decimal number? 0.15. 0.15. Next, 35 by 1000. That is equal to 0.035. Next, 68 by 1000. That is equal to 0.068. Okay, so this is a fraction. This is its decimal number. Children, note down. Next, Ram bought some vegetables. Help him convert these fractions into decimals. Okay, see, just wait. Ram, this is companion, page number 10. Page number 10. Ram bought some vegetables. Let's help him convert these fractions into decimals. Convert these fractions into decimals. The first one, 1 and 25 by 100 case. So what is the decimal? 1.25 kg, kilograms. Next, 2 and 6 by 10 kg. 6 by 10 kg. So this one 2.6 kilograms. Next to 475 by 1000 kg. That is equal to 0.0 475 kilograms. Next, 1568 by 100 kg. So that is equal to 15.68 kg. Okay, like this we have to write. So this is 125 by 100 kg, that means 1.25 kilograms. 2 and 6 by 10 kg, that means 2.6 kilograms. 475 by 1000 kilograms, that is equal 0.475 kg. 1568 by 100 kg, that means 15.68 kilograms. Like this we have to write. Children, is it clear? I think so. Note down. Next, page number 11. Once open page number 11, identify each set of numbers as like and unlike decimals. Write it in the blanks provided. Okay. So in previous class we have discussed like decimals and unlike decimals. Okay. Like decimals, some examples also we have discussed. Unlike decimals, some examples we have discussed in studio book. Now in companion book, page number 11, 10E. Once open 10E. Just wait, I will show. See, page number 11, 10E. This is 2.8. This is 2.81. After decimal, here only one digit. After decimal, there is two digits. That's why these two are unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Next, this is 7.98, 7.92. After decimal, two digits. Here also after decimal, two digits. That's why these two are like decimals. Children, I think so it's very clear. Note down. Another two examples. In the similar way, another two examples. See here. See 2.876, 2.876, 67.91. After decimal 3 digits, after decimal 2 digits. That's why these two decimals are unlike decimals. See here 8.971, 971, 12.789, 12.789. These two are like decimals. After decimal 3 digits, here also after decimal 3 digits. That's why these two are like decimals. These two are unlike decimals. Okay, children, it's very clear now. Note down. Next, concentrately once you see how it will be like decimals, how it will be unlike decimals. The difference between like decimals and unlike decimals, try to understand the concept. Next, convert the unlike decimals to 3 decimal places. Convert the unlike decimals to 3 decimal places. See. You see 23.16, 45.9, 9.876, 5.98, 2.987, 56.11, 45.985, 11.22, 4.56, 5.76, 3.121, 4.89, 0.876. So all these are unlike decimals. To convert the unlike decimals to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Okay. How to convert? Very easy. 23.160. Now after decimal 3 places. Okay. So 3 places. Next, over 45.900, over 9 point, it's anyhow same 876. After decimal anyhow it's 3 places. Next 5.98, 5.980. Next 2.987, 2.987. Next 56.11, 110, 45.985, 11.220, 4.560, 5.760, 3.121, 4.890, 0.876. So all these are having after decimal 3 places. So this is the conversion. Convert the unlike decimals to 3 decimal places. Now it's very clear, children. Note down. Next. Next to 12.543, 12.54. Now it is greater than this one, greater than 6.342, 6.23. So 342 is more than 6.23, greater than 7.236, 7.08. So this is also greater than 6.4, 6.321, greater than. Next 3.24, 3.024. So it is 24 is greater than. Next 4.2, 4.324. So it is less than 8.05, 8.45. So 0.5 is smaller than 8.45. 38.56 greater than 38.023. Okay. Like this, convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Compare the sets of numbers using greater than, less than, or equal. Okay. Next. Page number 14. I will show. See, arrange their heights in ascending order in the space provided. 142.30, 143.20, 143.50, 144.80. Observe here, children. Ascending order. Ascending order. A few children have measured their height. Okay. Now next, this is Rita is practicing for her upcoming running race. The table shows the distances she covered during each round of practice. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5. Next, arrange the distances in descending order in the space provided. Descending order means decreasing order. 196.5, 196.33, 194.32, please wait. Just a minute. Now, homework. Companion, page number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the homework. Children, practice all these sums. Tomorrow again will be the chapter has been completed. Next chapter. Okay. Thank you.